Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be looking at texturing our Expo marker. So first things first is let's select both those objects and do Edit, Delete all by type, and then History. Next up, let's go ahead and go to Arnold and add in a Skydome light. Next, you want to go ahead and decide what color Expo marker you want to use. As you can see, there's quite literally a ton of options. So I think I really like the blue one, so I'm going to go with blue. Go ahead and select this guy first. Hold right click and assign new material. Click on shader, AI standard surface, and then I'm going to leave it white. Next, you're going to select your cap and do the same thing. So hold right click, assign new material, shader, and AI standard surface. However, for the cap, what you're going to do is you're going to change the color to whatever color marker you want to use. So if you want to do blue, then you're going to change it to be blue. If you want it to be a red marker, you make it red. And then click 7 and you can see the color in the light. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Next up, go into face mode and you're going to select these top faces. And then you can hold tab and like select and double click to get any other ones. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold right click and do assign existing material, and then click on whichever one you just made that blue color. There we go. And then this part is a little difficult. Go into face mode, click Q, and you're just going to select maybe like 5 of them, 6 of them. I'll go with 6. Actually, maybe I'll do 7. No, I think 6 is the magic number. Just try and make them a little even on both sides. So if there was like a midpoint, make sure even on both sides. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. All right, that looks even. And then same thing, hold right click and assign it that blue color. And then you can do the same on the other side. So find that midpoint and then texture it like the rest of them. There we go. That's basically like the name, but you know, we don't want to get copyrighted here. So it's just it's a non-Expo marker, if that makes sense. All right, so the rest of it should be pretty good. You're kind of free to add whatever logo you want there if you want to. I won't be because mine needs to be non-branded. But yeah, last thing, let's go ahead and do Arnold render, and you can just kind of see how it's looking in the view. If you want, you can click on poly modeling, add a face, and then click R and just scale it on up. That way it has like a little floor to sit on. Usually what I like to do is hold right click, assign a new material, shader, AI standard surface, click on that checker, and then I like to give it that checker flooring just so it has like something to bounce off of, kind of. Also, I'm gonna click on this guy and just like rotate it so that that label is facing us. All right, there we go. That's about it. If you guys have any questions on texturing in general, let me know, but that's about it for this tutorial. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.